Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about how do organisms obtain nutrition. In 10th class textbook they have given two organisms. One is amoeba, another one is Paramoecium. How these two organisms obtain nutrition from their surroundings. That is the topic. Okay. First of all we are going to learn about amoeba. Amoeba is unicellular organism, irregular in shape. There is no particular shape. Fresh water. These are living in fresh water. Main parts are pseudopodia. The finger-like projections are called as pseudopodia. Finger-like projections are called as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. Podia means feet. It has false feet. That is a pseudopodia. Next one is a nucleus. It has a prominent nucleus in the center of the cell. Next one, cytoplasm. Next part is there are two types of cytoplasms are present in the amoeba. It divided into two zones. One is outer zone. It is in gel. Next one is inner zone, little watery. That is called as a sol. Sometimes it may changes gel to sol, sol to gel. That is about cytoplasm. Next one, contractile vacuole. That is very most important part. This contractile vacuole helps in osmoregulation and water and ion balance. Okay, these are the parts in the amoeba. Now, how amoeba collects food material from the surroundings. Food is taken through the body surface of the amoeba, which helps in finger-like projections are called as pseudopodia. When these food materials enters into the amoeba, which fuses on food particle, over food particle, which forms a food vacuole. This food vacuole helps in complex food materials converted into simple ones. These food materials diffuses into the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm helps in distributing of all the food materials. It's reaching to the all sides of the amoeba. When food is enters into the amoeba, takes to the surface of amoeba, which helps in pseudopodia on food particle, which forms, which fuses food vacuole. This food vacuole, complex food materials converted into simple food materials. These food materials are distributing into the cytoplasm. Okay. After that, it is reaching to the entire cell. This is a nutrition amoeba. It has a 4 steps. See, ingestion, next one digestion, absorption, defecation. Coming to the ingestion, taking of food into the body, that is called ingestion. When amoeba takes food into the body is called as ingestion. Second one, digestion. Here what happens? Breaking up of complex into the simple substances. A complex food material is converted into simple food substances with the help of a food vacuole in the amoeba. Next one, absorption. The passage of digested food through the walls of alimentary canal, that is alimentary tract, into circulatory system. After completion of the digestion, the food materials are passage are moved from the walls of elementary canal enters into the circulatory system. Okay, here food materials are enters into the cytoplasm in amoeba. Okay, next one, defecation. The passage of indigestible food material from the body by the way of anus. The anal core, the undigested material, it thrown outside on the surface of the amoeba. This is about the amoeba. Coming to Paramoecium. Okay, what is the another name of Paramoecium? Slipper animalcule. It is also called as slipper animalcule. See, the shape of the Paramoecium is in slippery. Okay, in slipper. The shape of amoeba is in slipper. So it is also called as slipper animalcule. On the surface of the Paramoecium, it has cilia. These are cilia. This is the first part, cilia. It helps in for locomotion. It helps in locomotion. Next, nucleus. There are two types of nucleus are present. Macronucleus, big size nucleus. Micronucleus, small size nucleus. This macronucleus helps in performs all activities. What activities occurs inside the Paramoecium? It is taken by macronucleus. Micronucleus function is involves in reproduction process. This is about the nucleus. First, cilia is for locomotion, whereas macronucleus is helps in perform all activities, whereas micronucleus helps in reproduction process. Next one, cytosol. It is the similar structure to the mouth. See, when food materials are reaching to the Paramoecium, it takes through the part is called as cytosol. The which part collects or takes food material in their surroundings, that part is called as cytosol. This is the cytosol part. The food materials were ingested into the Paramoecium. That is called a cytosol. It is forms a gullet. This is gullet, a tube-like structure. The gullet has cilia. When it collects food materials through this gullet, this tube, around the food materials which fuses over the food materials which fuses food vacuole. That is the next part. See, food vacuole. Again, food vacuole helps in complex food materials converted into simple food materials. Here, food materials are breaking down. When it is breaking down, it diffuses into the cytoplasm. Okay. Then food materials are distributing the entire cell. Next one, anal core. After completion of digestion, the undigested materials passes through the anal core. That is anus. It is similar to the anus. Next one, it has vacuole, contractile vacuole. In Paramoecium, two vacuoles are present. Upper side one vacuole, lower side one vacuole. What is the function of vacuoles? It helps in osmoregulation and balancing water as well as ions. This is the concept about how do organisms obtain nutrition. These two organisms are living in fresh water only. free living unicellular organisms. Okay, thank you.